So there's lots of ways to combine in-spin and anti-spin. Poi forward split time, arms are going to be in opposites. And you're going to decide which arm is doing the anti-spin. And let's do diamond anti-spin. Which arm's doing in-spin. If I want my poi in split time, if my right arm's making a diamond anti-spin, my left poi has to be making the in-spins at the top and bottom, because I'm in split time, so whatever my right poi is doing at the top, my left poi's got to be doing the opposite. And if this is down at the top, that's vertical in-spins. So that pattern will look like this. As I pass my feet and above my head, the poi for a moment will be in a nice clean split time that I'll be able to see in the mirror. When my arms are stretched out to the sides, front and back, my poi for a moment should be touching the far walls for a split second. And I'm cleaning up this pattern, and I can see my left arm, my poi fu's gotten a bit not so great. My left arm is falling behind my right arm. So that's a thing for me to work on.